What up, world? We here making noise. Yeah, get what? We here practicing. Get what? Earl Smith done came through, and they doing the tryout. They doing the tryout. I'm finna tear it up. I'm finna tear it up. I'm trying to learn that Earl Smith walk this way. I'm trying to learn that riff, whatever they call it. I'm trying to learn that. I don't know how you do that. How you do that? I gotta learn how to do. You do it like. Okay, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that right now. Nah, that wasn't it. That's how it's done, though. Okay, I'm gonna have to keep trying. Was that close? Oh, man. Okay, I done messed up on it. I forgot what I was doing. Was that their meow? That was their meow, wasn't it? That was their meow. I made the cat meow. No, get your mind out the cloud. Get your mind out the cloud, John. Out the gutter, not the clouds. Get your mind out the gutter, not the cloud. The clouds is where that peace be at. But that gutter where that nasty be at. Okay, let me try again. I had it earlier. I did, didn't I? Yeah. Okay, let me check. Did that work? Is that good enough to go on tour with y'all? Let me do it again. Want me to do it again? Man. Uh-oh, see, you made me do it again now. I done messed up, man. It wasn't the same. But it was almost that. Oh, no, I messed up. That was good enough going to tour with y'all. I'm going tour with y'all. And Run DMC. We're going to walk this way, talk this way. We're going to do it. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? It don't even matter. See, I'm gonna start my own band. Yeah, we're gonna be called the Noise Making Toilets. You know why? Cause when it comes to noise making, we do that. You know, we boo right on that. How y'all wear this purse? This purse, y'all wear it like this right here? I don't know. Till we gone. Uh-oh, I messed up. It didn't sound right. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Okay, I didn't do it right. I guess that's why they the professionals. Yeah. I ain't even a beginner guitarist at this point. I ain't even a beginner. But I'm pretty good at making noise. I'm a professional making noise. Yeah. I'm on. Yeah, huh? I'm gonna go get Run DMC. We're gonna do the thing. We're gonna do the thing. Run DMC not gone. They not gone. It's the same way Rafiki told Simba that Mufasa wasn't gone. He lives within you. I know where they live too. I know where they live. I'm gonna pull up on them. I'm gonna pull up on them. See, y'all done messed me up. I got to blame somebody. What that it? Did that sound right? I don't think so. Oh, I done messed it up again. I don't know. I give up. Y'all better not say it. Y'all better not say it. I ain't gonna cry. I ain't gonna do it today. Y'all. Peace.